Hi, in this video, Ask F5 shows you how to update the BIOS on F5 rSeries appliances to disable the CMS ENABLE DRAM setting to work around the issue in which the system silently restarts after upgrade. This issue may occur when you have an F5 rSeries 5000, 10,000, or 12,000 series, and you are running F5OS-A 1.8.0 build 16036. Note that when you perform the following procedure, all tenants residing on your rSeries system stop processing traffic and go offline while the system spontaneously restarts. For more details, see this article linked below. To update the BIOS, first log into the serial console of your F5OS system so that you can access the AOM. To ensure that your system version is correct, enter Show System Version and check the system version. Again, unless your system is version 1.8.0.16036, this workaround will not apply and does not do anything to help. Exit to get back to the main prompt. To display the AOM menu on your keyboard, select Escape Shift 9 or the left parenthesis symbol. To reset the host, select R at the prompt and select Y for yes. Then select Q to quit the AOM. The system will restart. During the restart process, the system will display random characters on the screen. When this happens, begin repeatedly selecting or tapping the C key on your keyboard. Keep doing this until you enter the BIOS setup menu. When you successfully enter the BIOS setup menu, use your right arrow key to select Continue and select Enter. In the BIOS menu, select the right arrow to move through the tabs to the Socket Configuration tab. Use the up arrow to select Advanced Power Management Configuration and select Enter. On the Advanced Power Management Configuration screen, press the up arrow again to select Memory, Power, and Thermal Configuration and select Enter. On the Memory, Power, and Thermal Configuration screen, with DRAM ARPL configuration selected, select Enter to go to that screen. Use your down arrow to select the bottom setting, CMS ENABLE DRAM PM, and select Enter. On the CMS ENABLE DRAM PM pop-up, select Disable and select Enter. Then select the F4 key on your keyboard to save and exit. When prompted to save the configuration and exit, select Yes. When you do this, the system will exit and the BIOS will automatically restart. And that's it. If you have any other questions or comments, leave them below or send us an email. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future videos. Thanks for watching.